Next day, he spoke to the trucks. I see you like jokes. You made a good joke about me yesterday. I laughed and laughed. Bill and Ben told me one about Boko. I'll whisper it. Don't tell Boko I told you. And he sniggered away. Oh, ho, ho, guffed the trucks. When Boko suddenly arrived, trucks are waiting in the yard, packing them with Diseasel. Show the world what I can do, gaily boasts the Diseasel. In and out he creeps about like a big green Diseasel. When he pulls the wrong trucks out, pop goes the Diseasel. Do you mind?